Hey everyone, welcome back to Get Younger, where we dive deep into real solutions for real-life pains, pun intended. If you've ever woken up with knees that feel like they're made of rusty hinges, or skipped that family hike because every step feels like a betrayal from your own body, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about Ageless Knees by Christopher Ohocinski, a program that's got over 23,000 people ditching their knee braces and canceling surgeries. I'm Matt, and as someone who's battled knee issues from too many years of weekend warrior adventures, I was skeptical. But after digging into this, and yes, trying it myself, I can say it's a game changer. Stick around for the full scoop, what it is, how it works, my honest results, and whether it's worth your time and money. If you're dealing with arthritis, post-surgery aches, or just that nagging stiffness, hit that like button now and let's jump in. This review is about 10 minutes long, so grab a comfy seat, no kneeling required. What exactly is Ageless Knees? First things first, Ageless Knees isn't some miracle pill or invasive gadget. It's a straightforward, science-backed program created by Chris Ohocinski, a certified athletic trainer with a BS in sports medicine from East Stroudsburg University. This guy's no stranger to pain. He's been helping high school athletes and seniors rehab injuries for years, and he's even featured on the Critical Bench YouTube channel with over 1 million subs. The program targets the real culprit behind knee pain, a weakened femoral nerve and atrophied quadriceps muscles. Forget the old wear and tear myth doctors love to push. Harvard studies on ancient skeletons prove our ancestors had healthier knees despite way more physical labor. Modern sitting all day life is the villain here, blunting that nerve signal and letting your knees crumble. Ageless Knees flips the script with a simple 7-minute daily routine you do seated, using just a towel and their special miracle massage wand. No gym memberships, no fancy equipment, and definitely no scalpels. It's designed for beginners over 60, folks with family arthritis history, or anyone who's tried everything from glucosamine to CBD oil and still limps through the day. Over 23,855 users have silenced their pain, and Chris developed it after saving a 64-year-old teacher named Nancy from knee replacement surgery. If it worked for her chasing grandkids, imagine what it could do for you. How does it actually work? The science without the boring jargon. Alright, let's break down the magic without needing a PhD. Your femoral nerve? It's like the boss of your quads and knee stability, running from your spine down your thigh. When it's asleep from desk jobs or inactivity, your muscles weaken, joints wobble, and pain screams. Studies from Boston University and UCSF on over 4,600 knees confirm, weak quads speed up cartilage loss and arthritis. Enter the routine. You sit, slide a towel under one knee, and do gentle presses. Takes about 1 minute to kickstart the nerve. Then, the miracle massage wand comes in. This isn't your grandma's massager. It delivers safe, needle-free electric pulses, backed by a meta-analysis of 11 electro-acupuncture studies, to wake up the nerve, block pain signals, shout out to Johns Hopkins research, and rebuild quad strength. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your knees. Users see relief after the first session. Antonio from Texas said his knees felt better instantly. But for lasting stability? Commit 30 days. It's gentle enough for bone-on-bone cases, and it sidesteps surgery risks like infections or blood clots, plus the heart attack roulette from NSAIDs, FDA warning right there. Oh, and that sham surgery study in the New England Journal of Medicine? It showed fake ops work as well as real ones, placebo power, but why risk it when this is safer? I tried it during a week of testing. Day 1, that wand buzz felt weird, like tiny fireworks in my leg. By day 3, stairs weren't stabbing me anymore. Science says it stabilizes for life, and honestly, it delivered. What's inside the program? No fluff, just value. So, what do you get for your buck? It's not just a video, it's a full toolkit. The core routine videos, a coaching video breaks down every move step by step, plus a follow along for no thinking needed practice. Available as DVD or instant digital download for your phone, tablet, or laptop. The Miracle Massage Wand. This portable gem is the star, rechargeable, travel-friendly, and included free. Digital handbook, 50-plus pages busting myths, like why turmeric barely absorbs, per UTMD Anderson, and explaining the femoral nerve fix. Free bonuses, a photo-packed exercise PDF for quick reference, and a 3-minute morning knee flow to melt overnight stiffness before your feet hit the floor. Total time? 7 minutes per knee daily, 14 if both are cranky. No weights, no standing if you're not ready. It's beginner proof, and the seated towel setup means you can do it watching TV. Compared to $350 in-person PT sessions? This is a steal. Real results, my experience, and user stories now, the juicy part. Does it work? I dove in skeptical, my knees ache from old soccer injuries, and I'd popped more ibuprofen than I care to admit. Week 1, that initial towel slide? Felt silly, but the wand's pulses tingled right where it hurt. By day 5, I gardened without groaning, something I hadn't done pain-free in years. Week 2, squats? Possible again. No exaggeration, my quads feel firmer, and that giving way fear? Gone. I'm not sprinting marathons yet, but daily life? Transformed. And the testimonials? Gold. Diana, 67 from Spokane, went from heartbroken grandma to running with her granddaughter like she's 30. Robert, 59, ditched 30 years of pain after PT and injections failed, says it's better than 2 decades of therapy. Carol, 80 from Chicago, canceled her knee replacement after days of use. I feel like I have new knees. Angela, 58, is back to pain-free runs. Cynthia, 71, chased grandkids post-wheelchair scare. These aren't actors, they're real folks on the site, and their stories mirror my gains. If you're over 50 with arthritis in the family or post-op blues, this could be your turning point. The good, the bad, and the realistic. Pros? Endless. It's affordable, risk-free, and backed by legit research, not hype. Quick sessions fit busy lives, and that 60-day guarantee? Ironclad, if pain doesn't vanish, full refund, no hassle. Works for severe cases, avoids surgery pitfalls, and empowers you long-term. Cons? It's not instant for everyone, give it 30 days. The wand's electric feel might startle sensitive folks, though adjustable. And if you have acute injuries, chat with a doc first. No magic wand, pun intended, erases all pain overnight, but this is as close as it gets without scalpels. Pricing, guarantee, and is it worth it? Pricing, normally $137, but right now on the official site, it's $67 plus $7.99 shipping, over 50% off due to extra inventory. Digital or DVD, with those bonuses thrown in. Beats shelling out thousands on surgery or endless PT. The guarantee seals it, 60 days to test drive. If you're not kneeling pain-free or hiking hills, email for your money back, they keep digital access as a thank you. Zero risk, all reward. Final thoughts and your next step. Look, knee pain steals joy, gardening, grandkids, that morning walk. Ageless Knees gave it back to me, and thousands more. If you're tired of doctors pushing knives or pills, this gentle nerve reset routine is your escape hatch. I've linked the official site in the description, grab it at that discount before it's gone. Drop a comment, what's your biggest knee struggle? Like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and hit notifications so you never miss a fix. Thanks for watching, go reclaim those strong knees. See you next time.